stuff, everybody. It's kind of last minute, but today I think we're just gonna go driving around in the lifted Mazda speed. Try to see what kind of trouble we can get into. Find some off-roading, some dirt, gravel.
Yeah, try not to get kicked off some construction site.
Again.
Shh.
Don't tell nobody. Well, let's go find some adventures.
Let's go. Me first.
I want to drive.
No, it's mine.
So we just been driving around trying to find some off-roading to do, some trails, some construction sites, and we found this little trail next to the marina, and I don't know where it goes.
Say, let's risk it all.
You know, I walked down it a little bit, and it's probably just barely wide enough for the Miata, but I don't know if there's anywhere to turn around. So
Guess we'll find out.
we'll find out. Probably get stuck in the process.
Nah, I ain't gonna get stuck. That's just the beginning. Roll up your windows.
It's got tight for honeysuckles.
You smell nice. A few areas where we can I hope we end up right on the water. That would be pretty.
It's boat. No.
I don't know.
get
trip.
attacked.
Watch out! I've been pretty lucky on my side, but because I said that, I'm about to get attacked by a tree, I'm sure.
Hope you don't like your paint job.
Ah, it's fine. Wait.
About to get attacked by this.
Uh-oh, watch out! Ah! Alright, I don't see any big rocks. Not yet, anyway. Ooh.
Like clear up.
There's some mud, watch out. It's our first thing of mud.
Don't stop.
You got it, girl, you got it. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop.
Don't get stuck.
I'm not gonna get stuck. See you later, sucker. Let's see how much further this goes. It probably goes all the way to the water.
Say go to the right.
It can't mean that. There's a lake there.
I think it knows where it is going.
This is the
The
lake.
machine
This is the
knows.
lake.
Stop yelling at me.
No, it's
Stop
up there.
yelling.
There's no road here.
Yeah, this is definitely the trail.
Remove this shit. Don't get stuck. We don't have no inch or anything.
We're not gonna get stuck. We're fine. We're just fine. I don't know, this maybe we're gonna have to back up. I think it's getting too treacherous. Oh no. I think this might be what stops us, you guys. It's a little too muddy.
If we had a partner, like another vehicle
Yeah.
to tow us out, probably wouldn't be so bad.
Yeah, this isn't the Gambler 500 where you have tons and tons of people out to help you in the middle of the woods. But soon. All right, let's back out. Whee! Sorry, flowers. Well, let's go back.
Oh, there's a big ass car. Hi, buddy.
Where's the buddy?
Oh, here.
Oh,
You know what that is.
he's a spider of some kind. But I'm not afraid of him because, you know, he won't make my flesh rot off or ah, here it goes! He's getting you!
Get off my crotch. Get off my crotch.
Here, I'll get him. Alright, go away. I saved you. You're lucky.
Being attacked.
Oh, we have to take a shower after this. I'm so dirty. I think I have mud on my back. I feel it.
Just nature in fact.
It's better than a spider, I guess.
Boat.
Whee!
What is that?
That tree has a nice set of A cups. It looks good on these trees. Trees gone wild.
Now it's time to escape.
Almost. I don't think we're there yet. I think we still have a bit to go.
No, almost still.
Oh no, we are there. Oh, see, that makes me sad. I thought we had further to go.
Just be careful when you come out.
Oh.
'cause It's pretty steep.
Oh, I will. I'm sure
There's
we're
a
gonna
boat.
scream. Hey!
Got enough room?
I should.
Okay.
Just kind of go at an angle.
All right. There we go. So
Much film.
I think you pooped. I think I pooped.
tasty.
What did you do?
Oh, we went out and had so much fun out in the woods.
You dirty. I mean, it's not as dirty, but it's been worse. So we did some driving around on this Memorial Day weekend, you know, this, and we found this little trail that I've been seeing, but I always thought it was too small, meant for like mountain bikes and
Four-wheelers, dirt
and
bikes.
dirt bikes and stuff like that. So we decided to take a chance and check it out.
If she fits.
And hey, she fits.
It was super fun.
Did you do that? You look guilty.
She's guilty of being the best lump ever.
We'll probably go back later at some other point, but be a little bit more prepared. Since we weren't very prepared, we just left. I'll bring a winch and some wood planks, and in case we do get stuck.
Yeah, because we couldn't go as far as we wanted to due to how muddy it was, which was a
And
bummer, but probably for
plus
the
we were by
best.
ourselves, so if we were to get stuck, we'd be a little screwed. So next time I'll bring a little hand winch to pull us out of the nasty.
Out of the forest.
But until then, have a good weekend and don't do anything I would do. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please like it. And also subscribe. And also hit that notification bell down here somewhere. Looks like a bell. I don't think it jingles. And if you're quarantined like me, stuck at home, nothing to do, well, I got plenty of things to do, you can check out one of my other videos where I fix or break things or crash or everything else. But until then, stay safe, have fun, don't do anything I would do. Peace out.